Jesus, receiver of the wise men and their gifts, help us to follow the light in the midst of a dark world. Fix our eyes and hearts on your light, that we might be bearers of that light to all those who walk in dark. On a Christian journey, may we seek the Lord, encounter Him, and offer Him the treasures of our lives. Today we live in the world of GPS, Global Positioning System, which gives us a few answers to our question. It tells us, where am I going, and where at this point, and what is the best way to get to my destination, and when will I get to the destination. We use Google Maps, different apps to get into destiny. Those three kings or magi followed the star. As we journey in our Christian life, do we seek the light of Christ, or do we still live in the darkness? Who are these three kings? They are named Balthazar, Caspar, Melchior. What are the gifts they brought? Gold, frankincense, and myrrh. Gold, the royal metal, signifies Jesus' kingship and His divinity, hence the gift for a king. Frankincense, a symbol of His priestly role, symbol of prayer, signifies Jesus as the high priest, mediator between God and man, hence the gift for a priest. The third, myrrh, resembles death and embalming. It's a burial ointment, meaning that Jesus had to die for the salvation of all, hence the gift for one who would die. These three kings took a journey, followed the light, and offered the gifts to God. Sacrifice, King, and God. What are the gifts we bring to God today? As we celebrate this feast of Epiphany, we are called to give the gifts of respect, acceptance, compassion, and love. And all the more, our friendship with God, our friendship with others, we can bring the gift of reconciliation and gift of peace in our lives.